Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace web designer, and I want to show you how I create really nice short links. Now, there are lots of different ways to do this, but I'm going to show you the method that I use. I use it for affiliate links and also for things like PDFs I've uploaded to my website that I want to share, and who's going to remember that crazy long URL that Squarespace gives you? So I'm going to show you how I create short links to share to make my life and everybody else's life easier. So let's dive in and get started. I'm a blogger, and I often blog about tools that I use myself and think my audience would enjoy. So I have affiliate links throughout my blog. But something that happens more often than you would expect is that those links get updated. So a company will change the affiliate software that they're using, which means that you have to go and update all of your affiliate links across all of your blog posts. You probably sent out emails about them too. And unless you're on some very high level version of email marketing software that's very expensive, you can't correct links that you've already sent out. So today I wanted to show you how I handle that. So there is a tool that I use called Marketing Magic. It's an AI tool that is phenomenal. It lets me really quickly generate all kinds of sales pages, social links, blog post outlines, affiliate messaging information, affiliate swipe emails. I mean, this thing does so much. It's a really great tool. And I have talked about it in a few of my blog posts. So definitely in my year in review, I mention it. In some previous blog posts, I've sent it out in emails. So how do I go through and update all of these links? So if you notice here on the blog post, I don't know if you can see when I roll over this, it's probably very small on your screen, but instead of having a link directly to the affiliate link, I have a short link, and it is christyprice.link/magic. I keep up with those in my affiliate page here inside of Notion. So you can see here's the link that I use, and I have information for myself about what the link actually is, the dashboard to log in. And you can see this used to be in Thrivecart, but it's not anymore. She's actually set up her own affiliate program, coded it all so that she's not relying on cookies because the world of cookies is changing. So she's ahead of the game on that. And what I need to do is change the link that's associated with christyprice.link/magic. And to do that, I use a free tool called Rebrandly. It shortens your links and it's really simple to use. Now, I use the free version because I'm not creating a ton of links every day. There are limits to how many you can create, but I'm still using the free version and find it perfect for my use case. So inside of Rebrandly, I've set up a special domain. So I bought the domain christyprice.link in addition to christyprice.com, and I use christyprice.link for all of my affiliate short links. So I've connected that here in Rebrandly. And if you look at my links, you can see that they're listed here. And I actually updated this 18 days ago because I thought she was changing her affiliate information to a different program and I was wrong. So I'm going to come back and fix that today. And what I want to do is change the link that's associated with this one. So I've already got it set up here. You could set up a new link. You type in the destination URL. So if I wanted to send people to my website, christyprice.com, I could do that and just say, christyprice.link/home, and I would create a link. So you can see here, I have christyprice.link/magic. It's 18 days ago because I actually had to redo this because I thought we were moving to a different affiliate software. So now I'm going to fix it. But on the free plan, you can't go in and edit the link inside. So I actually will delete this one. And I'm just remembering it's /magic. I'm going to delete the link. And then I'm going to click new link. And here is where I'm going to grab that new link for the free trial. And I'm going to pop it in here and I'm going to call it magic. There we go, and create link. So now I don't have to go back and change any of those links. Now they're going to go to the correct place. So let's go back to my blog post. And when I click on Marketing Magic, you can see it brings me here immediately to the trial account. It's super easy, and you can see the link is here. It's correct. I've tested it out. I'm going to go and update my Notion document now with that new information, but really that's all there is to it. And like I said, it's easier because when somebody updates their affiliate program, it's really easy to change your link in one place instead of tracking down all the places you've shared it. The other reason I love using these short links is that it's really easy to remember. So, for example, I have a link to, let's see, where's a good one down here? So, social icons everywhere is a good use case for this. It's got 420 clicks. I don't have to come here and look it up when I want to tell somebody about it. So, if somebody says, I want to use social icons that aren't part of Squarespace, I can say, oh, yeah, there's a great plugin for that. It's christyprice.link/social-icons. And then you can see I've created some things here for myself as well. So there's a blank template in Squarespace that I used to use. And so I can never remember how to get there without going through like a whole bunch of back end stuff on Squarespace. They've actually added it to the dashboard now, so it's easier. But in the interim, I had this christyprice.link/blank that would take me directly to it. So lots of great ways to simplify your life, make it easier for future you to keep up with all those affiliate links. And I hope you found this useful, and I wish you all the best with your website.